What is deep learning and why does it matter? Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what you want to watch? Or how your phone recognizes your face in an instant? It's not magic. It's deep learning. Today, I'm going to break down this fascinating technology in a way that's easy to understand. No technical jargon, just you and me exploring how deep learning is shaping our world. What even is deep learning? All right, let's start with the basics. Deep learning is like teaching a computer how to think. Well, kind of. It's a branch of artificial intelligence that's modeled after the human brain. Picture this: layers of tiny interconnected neurons working together to process information, just like how our brains figure out a math problem or recognize a friend in a crowd. But here's the cool part. Instead of you programming it step by step, the system learns patterns from data on its own. That's why it's called deep. The more layers it has, the more complex stuff it can figure out. Why should you care? Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds super nerdy. Why should I care? Well, deep learning is everywhere. It's the reason your voice assistant understands you when you say, "What's the weather today?" It's helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and even letting cars drive themselves. This isn't some far-off sci-fi tech. It's shaping the world we live in right now. Pretty wild, right? How does it work? Okay, let me explain how deep learning works in simple terms. Imagine you're teaching a child to recognize animals. First, you show them pictures of cats and dogs. Over time, they start noticing patterns, like cats have pointy ears and dogs don't. That's kind of what deep learning does. The system processes data through multiple layers, each focusing on a different detail. The first layer might look for edges, the next for shapes, and the final one identifies the object. Oh, that's a cat! It's like peeling back the layers of an onion to get to the core idea. Real-world examples. Prepare to be amazed. Let me blow your mind with some real-world examples. Ever used Google Translate? That's deep learning at work, figuring out how to translate not just words, but meaning. Or how about when Netflix recommends a show? Yep, deep learning is analyzing your viewing history to find what you'll binge next. And here's a personal favorite. Those crazy AI-generated artworks you see all over social media? That's deep learning, too. It's like having a virtual Picasso in your pocket. The challenge is, let's get real. But it's not all rainbows and robots. Deep learning has its challenges. It needs tons of data and crazy amounts of computing power. Plus, it can sometimes make decisions we don't understand because, well, it's kind of a black box. And let's not forget the risks, like bias in the data it learns from. If we're not careful, those biases can end up in the systems we rely on. Scary, right? So what's next? The future of deep learning is limitless. From revolutionizing healthcare to creating smarter cities, this tech is going to touch every part of our lives. But it's up to us to guide it responsibly. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll even have AI that can understand us better than we understand ourselves. Let's just hope it's nice about it. Wrap up. Let's keep the conversation going. So, what do you think? Is deep learning a game changer? Or do we need to be cautious about where it's headed? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the subscribe button. I've got plenty more tech stories coming your way, so stick around. Your soul of the machine.